Hey everyone, today I am trying a new lash set, and this is the Flutterset, and I got this from Amazon. This retails for $37 and it includes a lash applicator, one multi-day lash sealant, and a multi-day flex bond. I believe the bond is only available in black, and also it includes 24 segments of two sizes, basically, of the 14 and 12 day lashes. So in this, I'm applying the bond and I'm making sure to apply that in the roots of my lashes. I've waited for the bond to get sticky, and now I'm taking 3/14 at the end of my eyes, and I'm just applying this, and it should stick like a Velcro. And I'm taking the 3/12 just to complete the look, and as you can see, this looks really volumized and flared, and it's pretty. And in here, as you can see, I'm just repeating the same lash maps, and I'm applying the segments, and it should really stick into your lashes like Velcro. Now I'm taking the sealant, and this is to seal everything together, and I'm just applying that in the roots of my lashes. I also like to apply the lash sealant into the lash applicator and fuse my lashes this way. And this is a great technique to just take out all of the stickiness from the lashes. And this is the finished look, and as you can see, it is very soft. Looks like lash extensions, super lightweight, so comfortable, and I just love the way it looks. Bye!